Probability practice exercises 60 through 63. Number 60. In how many ways can 4 pizza toppings be chosen from 12 available toppings? So one of the key words that we should have had here is different. There's an assumption there, but perhaps that would have been best in this example to have included that word, but that was the intention of the problem. So repetition is not allowed in this case, and order does not matter on the pizza toppings. So that would be a combination. So 12C4 gives us 495. At a baby shower, 7 guests are in attendance, and 5 of them are randomly selected to receive a door prize. If all prizes are identical, and this is key right here, identical prizes, in how many ways can the prizes be awarded? So we're going to give those to 5 different guests here, okay? So again, it's all the same prize, so we don't care about the order there. So that's going to be 17C5, which will be 6,188. In a 650 lottery game, a player picks 6 numbers from 1 to 50. How many different choices does a player have if order doesn't matter? Well, that's pretty clear there that order doesn't matter. They said that. And they're picking 6 different numbers there. So we're going to do 50C6. Which gives us 15,890,700 choices. 63. In a lottery game, a player picks 3 numbers from 0 to 9, so that's 10 digits there. How many different choices does a player have if order doesn't matter? So again, we're not going to repeat there, so we have 10. We're choosing C3, choosing 3, so that gives us 120.